In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link pages with hyperlinks in Squarespace. Whether you're building your online portfolio, enhancing a blog, or simply creating an intuitive navigation experience, learning to link pages is an essential skill. Let's dive into the process step by step. First off, you'll need to access your Squarespace website editor. Once you're on the dashboard, find and click on the Pages section. This area is where you'll manage all the content for your website. It's like the central hub for your site's navigation and structure, making it the perfect place to start when adding hyperlinks. Next, locate the ADD block button on your main screen. This feature is crucial because it allows you to add various types of content to your web pages, and in this case, we'll be adding a text block. Adding a text block gives you the necessary space to type out your content and later insert your hyperlinks. Now, once you've clicked Add Block, you'll see various content types appear. Click on Text to add a text block to your page. This particular block will allow us to create and format the text that will host your hyperlink. After placing your text block, your next step is to click on Edit. This action opens up a text editor box where you can start typing in the content for your page. It's time to get creative with what you want your link to say, but for now let's keep it straightforward. Type in the text that will hold your hyperlink, like "click here for more details," or "learn more about our services." Once you've written your desired text, you'll need to highlight it by clicking and dragging over the words. Once highlighted, click on the link icon that appears. This icon is your gateway to turning regular text into a clickable hyperlink. After clicking it, a window will pop up providing various linking options. Here, you have the choice to link to an external URL, a blog post, or an internal page on your Squarespace site. For now, we want to focus on linking to a page you've already created within your site. Choose the internal page you want to link to, for instance, your About page or a featured product page. Finally, click Save. This final step ensures that all the changes and hyperlinks you've added are stored and reflected on your live site. It's important to double-check the link to make sure everything navigates smoothly to the page you selected. And there, you have it. Your text is now a fully functional hyperlink, seamlessly connecting your visitors to different areas of your site. Hyperlinking is a powerful way to enhance user engagement and guide your visitors through the wealth of content and information you've worked hard to provide.